In this video, I will speak about making decision based on the host, based on the header. Our header has a host, and we will make decision based on the host. For example, we have different kind of end user, and this one is my website, and this is the nethightech.com. Also, it is running www, FTP, and mail. I want to say my HAProxy. If someone asks for this host, redirect it to this one. If someone asks for nethightech, redirect to this container. But if asked for by default, redirect it to the authentication application. Here you can see I have 3 backend servers. One of them is auth application, another one is image application, and the other one is my application. I will use my application if this condition is true, and this is this condition. I will use image application if this condition become true, and I will use default backend if both of these become false, and I will use the default application. But what is this condition? In this condition, I said if header in host is hojat.com, redirect to this. If host in header is string nethightech www or nethightech FTP or nethightech mail, use this backend. This condition will become true. Let's go and test it. This is file 21, HAProxy 21. I have to use my host, sudo vim curl for http hojat.com. You can see my application is answering me, but if I ask for nethightech.com authentication application, why? Because it's redirecting to the default. Why? Because I have to use www curl. It's also using authentication application. Let me see it. Here I have a typo in my configuration. Let me correct it. I had typo in my configuration. I correct it, and I'm going to test it, but in my I should run HAProxy, and if now I test it, you can see image application is answering me. That's it.